Welcome to Best English Online.
Hi, I think we met before.
Uh, I don't think so.
You are Ruchika, right?
Oh, yes, but how do you know my name?
You used to live in Chicago 2 years ago.
Yes, but who are you?
I'm Rishi. I lived in the same apartment building.
Rishi. Rishi?
Flat 302.
Oh my God, flat 302?
Yes, and you were in 305.
Wait, are you the one who had a guitar?
Yes, I played every evening.
Yes, I remember now.
You always complained about the noise.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. It was funny.
I can't believe this.
Me too. What are the chances?
What are you doing in this city?
I came to visit my uncle. He lives here.
That's nice.
And you? You moved here for work?
Yes, I got a new job here last year.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you. It was a big change for me.
Do you like this city?
Yes, but sometimes I miss Chicago.
Same here. I miss our old apartment.
And your loud guitar?
Hey, I play better now.
Really?
Yes, I even perform at small events.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you. What job do you do now?
I work in a marketing company.
That sounds interesting.
It is, but sometimes it's stressful.
I understand. Work can be hard.
What about you?
I'm finishing my studies.
That's good. Which subject?
Business management.
Nice choice.
I'm really happy to see you again.
Me too. It feels strange, but nice.
Do you still drink coffee every morning on the balcony?
You remember that?
Of course, I saw you many times.
That's funny.
Maybe we can have coffee again, but not on a balcony this time.
Maybe. Yes.
Lift voice.
Ground floor.
This is my floor.
Mine too.
What is surprise meeting?
Life is full of surprises.
Can we stay in touch this time?
Yes, let's not lose contact again.
This balcony is really nice.
Yes, my uncle likes quiet places.
It feels peaceful here.
I come here when I want to think.
I understand that feeling.
So, how is your family?
They're good. My parents still live in Chicago.
Do you visit them often?
Not much. My job keeps me busy.
Same here. Life gets fast.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, most of the time.
That's nice. They must miss you now.
They do. My mother calls every day.
Mothers are the same everywhere.
True. What about siblings?
I have a younger brother.
Oh, really?
Yes, he's in college.
I have an elder sister. She's married.
Family changes so fast.
But memories stay the same.
Like us meeting again after 2 years.
I'm still surprised about that.
Me too. It feels special.
I'm glad we talked today.
I'm glad too.
We shouldn't lose contact again.
Yes, I was thinking the same.
Can I have your number?
Of course.
I'll save it now.
I saved yours too.
Great.
Are you staying here long?
Just one more week.
Oh, that's short.
But we can meet before I leave.
Yes, that would be nice.
Maybe coffee or dinner?
Coffee sounds perfect.
There's a cafe near the river.
I like quiet places.
Then you'll love it.
When should we go?
Tomorrow evening,
Tomorrow is good.
I'll message you the time.
I'll be there.
Funny how life brings people back.
Yes, at the right moment.
I'm really happy we met again.
Me too, Rishi.
This time, let's stay connected.
We will, I promise.
Then this balcony meeting was worth it.
Hello, Uncle. Good morning.
Good morning, yes?
I am your neighbor from the next building.
Oh, I see. I don't think we have met before.
Yes, we never met. My name is Ruchika.
Nice to meet you, Ruchika.
Nice to meet you too, Uncle.
How can I help you?
Is Rishi at home?
Yes, he is, but how do you know him? He came here only yesterday.
We were neighbors 2 years ago in Chicago.
Really? That's surprising.
Yes, we met again yesterday in the lift.
Oh, so you are that girl he was talking about.
Was he talking about me?
Yes, he said he met an old friend.
That's nice to hear.
Please come inside.
Thank you, Uncle.
Sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, what do you do here?
I work in a software company in the city.
That's very good.
And you, Uncle? Do you live alone?
Yes, my wife is visiting our daughter.
Oh, I see.
Rishi is staying with me for a few days.
That's good. He must enjoy your company.
I hope so.
Uncle, may I meet him?
Of course, I will call him. Ruchika, you are here.
Yes, I hope I didn't disturb you.
Not at all. I'm happy to see you.
I wanted to check if you settle here.
Yes, slowly. It's a new city for me.
How long will you stay?
Maybe 2 weeks?
That's good. You can explore the city.
Only if you become my guide.
Maybe I will.
I'm really surprised you came here.
I was curious.
Ruchika, I still can't believe you came here.
I was a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I didn't know how you would react.
I'm very happy to see you.
Really?
Yes, yesterday felt like a surprise. Today feels real.
That's sweet.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
So, how is your new life here?
It is busy. New job, new city, new people.
That sounds stressful.
Sometimes it is.
Do you miss Chicago?
Yes, especially old friends.
Like me?
Yes, like you.
I missed our evening talks.
And our small arguments,
You always won those arguments.
because I was right.
Maybe you were.
So, how do you like this city?
It's nice, but I feel like a guest.
You will adjust soon.
I hope so.
Why did you come here suddenly?
I wanted a short break from work,
That's good.
and maybe I wanted a change.
Change is not always easy.
True.
Your uncle seems very kind.
Yes, he's very supportive.
That's important.
What about you? Do you live alone?
Yes, in a small apartment.
Do you feel lonely?
Sometimes, but I'm getting used to it.
You can call me anytime.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I'm serious.
I know.
Do you remember our last day in Chicago?
Yes, we didn't even say goodbye properly.
I regretted that.
Me too.
Maybe this is our second chance.
Maybe it is.
Let's not lose contact again.
We won't.
Promise?
Promise.
So, coffee this weekend?
Yes, but this time you are paying.
Deal.
I should go now.
Already?
Yes, I have some work.
Okay, I'll walk you to the door.
Thank you.
I'm really glad you came.
I'm glad to, Rishi.
See you soon.
See you.
Please sit down, Ruchika.
Thank you, Uncle.
Rishi went to take a call, so we can talk.
Yes, Uncle.
Tell me about your family.
My parents live in Delhi now.
What does your father do?
He works in a private company.
And your mother?
She is a teacher.
That's wonderful. Teaching is a great job.
Yes, she loves her work.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one younger brother.
Is he studying?
Yes, he is in college.
Very good. Education is important.
Yes, Uncle. My parents always say that.
And what about you? What work do you do?
I work in a software company.
That sounds difficult.
Sometimes it is, but I enjoy learning new things.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you.
Uncle, your English is very good.
Thank you, Uncle.
How did you learn English so well?
I practiced every day.
How did you practice?
I watched English movies with subtitles.
That is a smart way.
I also read small English stories.
Did you go to any classes?
Yes, I joined a spoken English class for 6 months.
Very good.
I also spoke with my friends in English.
Practice is very important.
Yes, at first I was shy,
Many people feel shy.
but I decided to improve myself.
That shows confidence.
I made many mistakes in the beginning.
Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, now I feel more comfortable.
I am proud of young people like you.
Thank you, Uncle. That means a lot.
Rishi also needs to practice more.
I can help him.
That would be good.
Uncle, how long have you lived here?
Almost 10 years.
You must know the city very well.
Yes, slowly I learned everything.
Like I am learning English.
Exactly.
Thank you for talking with me.
You are always welcome here.
That's very kind of you.
This house is open for good people.
I feel very comfortable here.
This city is bigger than I thought.
Yes, it is very busy.
I feel a little lost here.
Don't worry, you will learn slowly.
I don't even know the good places yet.
That's why I'm here.
So you are my city guide now?
Yes, free service for 1 week.
That's great.
First advice, always check traffic before going out.
I noticed the roads are very crowded.
And try local food, it's very tasty.
I love trying new food.
Good, I will show you a nice cafe tomorrow.
I'm excited already.
Also, keep some cash with you.
Why?
Some small shops don't take cards.
Oh, that's useful advice.
See, I am a good guide.
Yes, you are.
Do you like beaches?
Of course, I love the sea.
There is a beautiful beach here.
Really? I didn't know that.
It's about 20 minutes from here.
That sounds perfect.
The sunset there is amazing.
Now I really want to see it.
Then let's go this evening.
Today?
Yes, why not?
I'm ready.
We can walk near the water.
And maybe eat ice cream?
Yes, and take some photos.
This is already my favorite plan.
The beach makes everyone happy.
I needed something relaxing.
Then this is perfect for you.
Thank you for taking care of me in this new city.
You are not alone here.
That means a lot.
So, meet at 6 p.m.?
Yes, I'll be ready.
Don't be late.
I won't, I promise.
Good.
I'm really happy we met again.
Me too, Rishi.
Today beach, tomorrow cafe. This week is going to be special.
Let's make good memories.